In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Delta Executor Roblox iOS upgrade problem. So if you're having this kind of problem, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So for this case, what you can do is you can get an error message that says your version of Roblox is up out of date. And what you can do right here is you can head over and then make sure to actually enable this right there. So on this case, you can see this option. Just head over and click on upgrade. And then after that, you should be able to actually upgrade or install the latest version directly into your iOS. So on this case, you can just head over and then try to do this. So click on the Not Now button on the option for that as well. And then once an application is uninstalled, search and visit the Delta Executor official site and then download the option for that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.